boy. Everybody should have the watch list, so I send it in the mentorship. Hold on. Actually, not everybody has it. Hold up. All right, mentorship, you guys got it too. It's in the main chat. Gino, boom. You gonna unmute or what? There you go. Sup, buddy? You're just not talking. What are you guys watching today, Team Bull? Anything good? $400 for a reject. Nice. There's nothing to swing. Haven't seen anything. You're watching Tesla upside, fire. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning. Let's see. What I was about to look up. Damn, I was about to look something up. I can't remember. Whatever. But YouTube, if you guys haven't already and you guys want to join my free Discord, go hit me up on Instagram at BrandonTrades. Send me a DM saying Discord. I'll get you guys in the free Discord that I have. Again, BrandonTrades on Discord. Or BrandonTrades on Instagram. I'll get you in the Discord. From Cali. Good morning. Or Canada. Which one? Sorry, I'm geologically stupid. Really hoping we can hit supply today. That would be ideal. We can finally come touch it. I do want to say too, I don't know if you guys saw, but a lot of firms are starting to restrict the trading of gold. So if you guys enjoy trading gold or even silver, make sure you guys check out Take Profit Trader, TPT, and use code Brandon, all caps. Get you 40% off, no activation fee, but then there's also no restrictions when it comes to gold. So, Cali, SCSC. There's a schedule in the Discord, in the free Discord. Book map says it at the top. It's NQ. And then I trade with prop firms and I trade my own capital, but I mean, I've made good money with everything. Now, hold on, I'll be back in a second. All right, I'm back. Let's see. There we go. Sup, Mr. GD? Hello. Hi. I missed you. And they restricted it because, yeah, I mean, volatility. I thought for sure that more people would be blowing accounts than making money with gold and silver, but apparently not. So a lot of the firms, they restricted it. But again, TPT and Tradeify. I just don't really trade with Tradeify, but I do have a code over there if you guys use that as well. But TPT is my favorite. Again, use code Brandon, all caps, and it'll get you the best discounts possible. I mean, it's not like there's a set amount of time. It depends on you as a trader and what the market has to offer. I can't tell you, hey, 5 days and then you're going to start getting payouts, because you could sit there and you keep blowing accounts for all I know. So there's no set time. Bruh. But again, if you like trading gold, TPT and Tradeify are the two right now that are still allowing it. Got to use code Brandon. I'll even put it in the chat for you guys. I couldn't even give you an average because, again, it depends on the trader. I mean, you can get frustrated at that answer, but there's no average. It depends on you. It depends on you as a trader. I've gotten 2 payouts this month. I'm getting ready to request another one, either probably today or tomorrow. But I've been trading for 8 years. So some people don't even get 2 payouts a month. So some people don't even get 2 payouts within a week. Again, it depends. There's no easy answer for it. Ugh. If you guys could, real quick, though, take 2 seconds, hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 90 of you in here and only 20 likes. So pretty much a fifth of you guys have hit that like button so far. So again, if you guys could, take 2 seconds, hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. I'm also currently watching gold for a retest of 50.86 to 50.85, if we can get that. Is there a squeeze, OBJ? I'm also going to watch gold if we pull back to 50.85, 50.86 for a possible bounce. Yep, I'm live every day here on YouTube. All I ask from you guys is if you buy prop accounts, Apex, Tradeify, TPT, all I ask is that you guys use my code. Again, it's free to join me here on the live. All I ask, you use my code when you get props. That's all. That's all I ask. Probably be live for Asia at night too. Oh, ready to crush it. A+ setups only. I like AMD if it gets above 218.50, 218.60. Let's watch this gold, everybody, right off the rip. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Tell Instagram that we're live. Go. Let's get it. Got 45 seconds. Again, if you guys could start the day with a like, it would be greatly appreciated. 100 of you in here, only 43 likes, only 40% of you have hit that like button. All I ask, make sure you hit that like. Especially because I'm making sure that these streams have no ads. So I don't even get monetized for these streams. All right, everybody, trade safe, trade smart, A+ setups only. Let's get this bag. Only thing we have is business inventories today. We're pretty close to our ES supply as well. So if we can get up there, I'm looking for a reject. AMD is trying to get above that 218.50. Is she pumping? 218.60. Okay, so we're above it. See if we can hold it. Pretty big candle right off the rip. Good morning, everybody. JC Diaz, Kimberly, Douglas, Stockfather, Space Bike, Young Lee, Justin, Charlin, Ronnie, J-Zeb, Blaze, Chris, everybody. Good morning. What are you watching, GD?
I'm watching this video.
Video does look good.
Watch. It's low. Just re-entry.
Nice.
Just watching the stock.
Morning. Who else said it? Hold on. I accidentally pinned something. So, Eduardo, Tim, Izzy. And again, I do want to say, if you guys trade gold, as you guys saw, a lot of the firms are restricting gold right now, but the two that are still allowing it is Tradeify and TPT. So if you guys do want to get funded with Tradeify or TPT, make sure to use discount code Brandon, all caps. TPT, it'll get you 40% off, no activation fee for life. And then Tradeify, I think it's like 30 or 35% off. So again, for both of those, make sure to use discount code Brandon. Obviously, the goal of these live streams is to help you guys pass your accounts, get you guys funded, get you guys payouts. I trade for completely free. So all I ask from you guys is that you guys use my code at these firms. Apex, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader. And my Take Profit Trader link is in the comments if you guys need. Setup I like the most right now is this gold. We just need to get that pullback to 50.85. Remember, everybody, patience. Patience, patience. We waited a little over an hour yesterday to get our first trade of the day. So, just gotta stay super patient. Need to get some art in this room. Art and furniture. Oh. Again, if you guys could take 2 seconds, hit that like button as well. We got 140 of you in here and 65 likes. So literally half of you guys hit that like button. Less than half, actually. Helps a lot with the YouTube algo. It'd be greatly appreciated. Also, while we're sitting and waiting for a setup, if you guys want to join my free Discord that I just started, we already have, I think, almost 800 people. But it's completely free Discord for traders. If you guys want to tap into that, shoot me a DM on Instagram at BrandonTrades. Same as my YouTube name. But just DM me and say Discord. That's it. I'll get you guys in the free Discord when I'm done trading. AMD's trying to get above that 218.50 again. I want to see if we can actually hold with strength. Gold's coming back and retesting our area. See if they can buy it up. Watching gold for longs, potentially. It's going to bounce this area. See if this 5 minute can reclaim 85. If we close below, then the setup's invalid. Ideally, I'd like to see this reclaim 87, which would be that ADMA. If not, then no entry, and we wait. Morning, Naveen. We closed above it, but we didn't reclaim that ADMA. Likely no entry for me on this gold. Not really liking it, but I'll be back in a second, though. I'm gonna go get more water, everybody. I'll be back, YouTube. I'm gonna go get more water. Good thing we didn't take that gold. Gold's dumping now, everyone. We're at that pre-market low on the NQ. The weather in Denver was like 70 degrees yesterday. We are currently on GCJ6 for gold. Need to throw these water bottles away. Gonna be using my code for TPT today. Let's go. Again, take profit trader. Make sure you guys use discount code Brandon, all caps. 40%, 40% off all accounts plus no activation fee. And they let you trade gold. So, pull a BS because that gold did not want to confirm. Really, the only trade I see potentially right now is if we take out pre-market lows, and then we could look for a continuation until we get down into demand. That's it. What you guys watching, Team Bull? Anything good? AMD keeps struggling to hold that 218.50. Now I was looking for that break and retest of pre-market highs on gold. Just didn't hold. I mean, $300 is still good for 14 minutes of your life. And again, YouTube, if you guys want to hop in the free Discord, I have almost 800 people in there already, only in a couple days. So if you guys want to join the free Discord, where I'll be live trading 3 times a week, you get my pre-market watch list. You can communicate with a bunch of other profitable traders and struggling traders. Make sure to hit me up on Instagram at BrandonTrades and just shoot me a DM saying Discord. That's it. This gold's really falling apart now. Give me a trade, GD. Are you watching for a break of this pre-market low? Hello? Talking to you. Is that better? Said, are you watching a break and retest of this pre-market low? Bet. I was really hoping that gold would hold. It's looking really good. Tesla actually gave a really good setup too. I just didn't see it till now. What's up, 083 Trim? What up? It's party in the live stream today. We got 150 of you. Usually we get like 90 during New York. Asia, it's a lot more, but 150 during New York, I'll take it. I'll watch the 30-minute break, but we gotta wait first 30 minutes and see. Coach is getting slaughtered right now. Place an XLU swing. The XLU do a split? Had to. It was never this low. They 100% did. I just don't see it. But they 100% did a split. C, A, and D. Very slow morning so far, everyone. You guys take any trades yet, YouTube? Anything meet anybody's criteria? Or is everybody choosing to stay patient and disciplined? See what happens on this pop up. Gonna watch this pop up into like 332 to 351 on NQ for a possible reject. Just gotta see what price looks like. Don't reject early, come on. Ten more points. By the time this damn thing confirms, might be too late. We'll see. Buying it back up. If we get above 32, we'll likely see 51.
Short that up, or close the market. Close the market. It's over. Maybe test.
We hit the 51. Let's see. We're getting a lot of volume on this 5-minute candle, so it might not confirm.
So long as you're good.
Yeah. No reject for me, everybody. No reject. We'll wait for news now. We have news in 5 minutes. Yeah. It's business inventories. I don't think anything's going to happen, but better safe than sorry.
Crazy shit, but manage these. This looks really good.
I live trade in the Team Bull Discord, which is where I go live every single day. No delay. There is a delay here on YouTube. And then with the free Discord, I live trade in there 3 times a week. But with Team Bull, I'm live every single day. I like it if we pumped right up into our supply, 7,006 to 7,014 on ES. I'd prefer if we just go straight up right here. And again, if you guys are looking to get funded, especially if you want to trade gold, Tradeify and TPT are the only 2 firms that I know of right now that you can still trade gold and silver. So if you guys want to use that, get funded. TPT's 40% off, no activation fee if you use code Brandon. That link is pinned in the comments. And then Tradeify, I think, is like 30 or 35% off if you use code Brandon. But again, those 2 firms allow gold. A lot of the other firms have been restricting it recently, so I haven't heard anything from them. I think they're gonna keep allowing the gold trading, but a lot of the other firms restricted it. But again, use code BRAND in all caps.
That's those feels like good contest is not sure.
Come on, give me my reject. News in 1 minute. Could even look for a pullback towards like 90 on ES if it happened here for a potential long. Take it up into supply. Come on, give us 90.
It's not, it's just really, but just maybe we can tap it, maybe do higher addition, but still really help us start. It's supposed to be.
Either waiting for supply on ES or for a bounce at 90. 90 to like 92. Did get our 30-minute range though on NQ. So at least we can mark that out. 30-minute orb range. Now we can look for our break and retest model. Give us the pullback. Still watching the ZS pullback, everyone. What? I'm watching the ZS pullback in a 90. Come on, give it to us. Still potential for that 90. Patiently waiting, YouTube. Potentially looking at ES longs if it actually gives a pullback. Or if we just shoot up to my supply, I'll look to reject it, but just waiting right now. Stay patient. Patience pays. It's kind of got like a 2-minute bull flag. I wouldn't be surprised if it started to push. If it fails that 2-minute bull flag, though, we could see some continuation. But if I had to guess, it's gonna go. Yep. All right, we're approaching our reject zone, everybody. 7,007 all the way up to 7,014, so about a 7-point range. See if we get some rejection up here. If so, we can look for shorts. Obviously, if there's no confirmation, we will not take the trade. NQ is also revisiting the supply zone as well at 427, but we already tested it yesterday, so we're at yesterday's high. We do have a lot of orders going up into the supply zone, which I like a lot. Would prefer for us to actually touch the zone though before any entry. Want to give us a big push into the level. Couple more points. Like I said, there is a lot of selling activity up here. I just want us to actually go into the zone and get proper confirmation. Come on. It doesn't matter how many contracts I take. It depends on how much you take and what you're willing to risk. 7,007 to 7,014 on my reject.
Just a little bit gap.
Come on, give it to us. Just a couple of different setups we could watch. We have our 30-minute orb on NQ. If we pull back and retest it, we could watch that. Or if we push up deeper into the supply on ES, we could look for the reject. Come on. You can do it, yes. Give me my level. Give me my level. Well, that's gay. Guess I didn't want to push like 2, 3 more points and give proper confirmation, but it is what it is, I guess. I guess let's see if we can reclaim this 30-minute orb on NQ and try to take it back up to ES supply. We had the sellers. If you guys see my screen, we had the sellers with literally no buyers. It's just, it didn't make sense to get an early entry at 7,004, 7,005 if we have to add potentially 10 points up. So it's just one of those, now it's really dumping. Fuck, dude. It's one of those times where, you have the right idea, just you didn't get the proper confirmation. You did bounce into the gap though, GD. Or drop into the gap. I'm just playing with my emotions right now.
This is the late upside of this. Try it. Show yourself also. Well, it sure is. I just don't feel confident that you will go.
2 points off. It's all right. We'll find another setup, everybody. It'd be like that. You guys got to be okay with accepting. You could have the completely right idea. It just doesn't give you proper confirmation. Then it does exactly what you wanted it to do. Welcome to trading. But next time something like that happens and you forced to trade without proper confirmation because you remember, oh, well, last time it worked out, right? It didn't give proper confirmation. It didn't give a good entry, but it worked out. Well, what happens the next time that you let that get, take over, right? You're forced to trade. And what happens 9 times out of 10? You lose money when you do that. So it sucks, right? But even if we got like that early entry, we still had to be willing to add 10 points higher on that trade, which is, in my mind, stupid, right? I'd rather just wait. So, again, it is what it is. That's trading. Welcome to trading.
See your reaction in this area. Yeah, we have a lot. We have this. I think slide to the yips. This below spot with the extremely high. As well as.
That Tesla price action is so ass. Literally doing nothing.
Trucks, very size vehicles. Kilos, so. Take it, styles, what I build.
Honestly, even if we can get like a 5-minute candle bullish close here, I like that first pullback to the ADMA potentially for longs.
So, get high. Push.
My bounce zone, my demand, I don't have demand for a while. 69.54. It's just an intraday pullback for a potential higher low. Yeah, let's see what happens if we retest these 8 EMAs. I'd be willing to try it.
Six, 7.
I think it's going to give the 8 EMA.
Really, regardless how they can get that. 7. Yeah, so not those reaction. Not too confident. You always take quarter or half position. Then half. Okay, good reaction. Close. Do that once in a while. So.
See if we actually hit the supply zone now. Looks like we're going to. Yeah, we got the sellers up here, so. Come on, you motherfucker. Go into the zone.
This 640.
I'll lose my shit if we don't get into the zone. Let's test my goddamn patience. Unbelievable. 2 more points. Uh, just go to the zone. That's all I ask. I think I am too. Every time it pops up, we literally have a seller at 7,005, but I don't want an entry at 7,005. I want it 7 to 14. One more pop up. Come on. Good shit, Adam. If you guys made money, make sure to post it and hashtag post your gains. Tag me in GD as well.
Hey, bro.
Again, everybody in the YouTube, if you guys haven't, make sure to join the free Discord. I have a completely free Discord for traders. So if you want to join, all you have to do is hit me up on Instagram at BrandonTrades. Send me a DM, say Discord, and I'll get you guys in. But again, BrandonTrades on Instagram. All you have to say is Discord in our DMs. And I'll get you in. It's completely free.
Still think the structure.
Completely free.
So,
I'm gonna doom scroll till we're at 7. $7,007. Maybe we'll get it this time. Give me my zone. Give me my zone. Can you do me a favor, GD? I need you to buy about probably 1,000 ES at market, and we'll get my zone. It'd be greatly appreciated. Just an FYI. Thank you.
Serious.
Honestly, the uptrend doesn't look bad. Well, you're about to get a boner candle, so I don't know if you heard it. Yeah.
That's us a lot.
I think so. 7,007. Come on. We'll say I don't like all this consolidation before, so we might dig a little deeper into the zone, but we'll just have to see. You're welcome. No, I'm not.
What's your
Right there where we just touched. Right there where we just touched. Tesla's finally breaking out. I'm gonna try these shorts on MES, everybody. Try a lighter size here just in case we get above this 06 and we go deeper into the zone. But I'll stop out above that 06.25 level. So risking about like 5 points, 5.5 points. We are rejecting off of it. ES tried to make that new high. It failed. NQ did not make a new high. So I'd like to see this roll over. If we can get below 97, we should start to see that move down. Like I said, lighter size on this, just in case we do go deeper into the zone. See if we can lose this 97. That's going to be the spot that we got to break. It's ADMA. We lose that, we should be able to roll over. I do really like that 5-minute candle as well. Come on, lose the ADMA for me. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. There we go. Come on. Break this previous high as well. That'd be nice. Get below. Give us like 95. 95 would be nice for a first trim. We were up like 4.5 points, but I'm looking for a little more. Buying it up. Come on. Come on. Get below that 95. Come on. Couple more points. Come on. Really struggling to break this ADMA. There we go. All right, first trim filled, everybody. Stop losses break even. Stop losses break even. Yeah, they're buying it back up. So, I mean, worst case scenario, you know, we get our first trim. If they buy it back up here and they stop us out break even, you know, we'll make some lunch money. Worst case scenario, we got some green. Best case scenario, we continue to roll over because, again, I mean, it's looking weak, but every time we do dip down, they are buying it back up. So if they do buy it back up, we stop out at break even. I would love to try this again if we went deeper into the zone, which is originally what I planned for. And deeper could be, you know, 7,010 to potentially 7,014. So again, just keep a hard stop break even. They keep buying it up off this ADMA. We got to trim for our 1-to-1 risk to reward. But yeah. Oh yeah, gold's getting slaughtered right now. Just dropped like 30 points. Actually, I might stop a couple ticks in profit. It might get hit, but choppy market, gotta be a little more conservative. Like I said, I would love to see this go lower. Ideally, VWAP would be the next trim down at 89. 89 to 90, but again, just keep that stop. Just in case, because we are back up above this orb high. I literally got a tick off of where my stop was. Or is. A single tick. Come on. Keep it dropping. Just gotta lose this 96 again. And it's about to hit it. Keeps literally getting a tick off. You guys at least make some money off that trade? Who took it? I'm still in. I got to tick off my stop multiple times, but I'm still in. Fire. Like I said, we got one trim. We got our stop. Slightly in profits. See if we get more. If not, oh well. Be a nice little base hit for the day, which I'll take. There we go. All right, I'm out. Like I said, if they buy it up, we can see if we go deeper into this zone. Ideally 7,010 to 7,014. And then we could look for potentially another entry. But got one trim for our one-on-one risk to reward, stopped out the rest slightly in profits. Made 200 off spy puts. Let's go. If you guys got them, though, make sure to hashtag post your gains at me and GD. at me and GD and hashtag post your gains. You got them. It's just so choppy. It's hard. Gotta be a little more conservative also. Fire. See a lot of people saying they got gains, but I'm not seeing it in hashtag post your gains. Not gonna call out any more trades if I don't see at least like 3 to 4 people posting it. Bet. See if we can pop up more. Bet. Looks like they want to push it too. And again, if you guys are looking to get funded, anybody here in the YouTube live stream, Take Profit Trader, Apex, Tradeify, make sure to use discount code Brandon, all caps, BRANDON. If you're looking to trade gold, a lot of the firms out there, they restricted it. So if you do want to trade gold, code Brandon, TPT, Tradeify. Apex did restrict gold, but they are 80% off right now. But TPT, 40% off, no activation fee. Tradeify, 35% off right now. Again, use code Brandon, and that's you'll get the discounts. Sounds good. Appreciate it.
Hosting a class in 12 minutes. You go on 29, hosting the channel. And it's smart for trade. Good day. See you guys tomorrow.
TPT is 5 days. That's the only downside. 5 days. These motherfuckers, I swear. So choppy. Keeps going from bullish to bearish, bullish to bearish. Well, you should be joining this Zoom. This Zoom is better. It's a lot more calm and patience in the Zoom. I'll give the market like another 15, 20 minutes though. See if we get any other opportunity. If you guys have questions too, feel free to ask while we're chilling. Any questions at all? How do you join the Zoom? You got to be a part of my premium Discord. I'll drop that link in the chat right now, actually. Let's see, links. Copy, paste, boom. Yeah, if you want access to my Zoom, you have to be part of the premium Discord. What is Jadon talking about it right now? Abraham, it's because Epstein. Let's see. Doesn't seem like bullflag. Yes. I mean, to me, patterns are irrelevant depending on where we're trading. So if we're at supply, I don't really care about, a bull flag to go long. Because supply holds way more weight than a 5-minute intraday bull flag. It's not to say like we won't break through it. It's just, supply holds more weight because it's an institutional level. Just because we go up 20 points doesn't mean that we're going to react and go 20 points down right away. It could consolidate before the next move up. It could reject a little bit. It could just chop here all day. It could pull back. You don't know. Only thing we know is our risk. Is Jadon talking about BSI right now? If so, I'm going to go say something to him. I'm going to say that's why you got your mirror smashed. Motherfucker. I was looking at it earlier. We just didn't get any confirmation to short it the first time. No confirmation at all. And better see you in there tomorrow, Pro Russ. Price action. Price action is always the thing that confirms with order flow. It might still potentially reject everybody. It's just way too choppy and it's taking a lot longer than usual. So I'm happy with my decision of taking that trim at the 1-to-1 risk to reward and then stopping out the rest at break even. course, Antonio. There is none. There's no indicator that can tell you that. It's your job as a trader to piece together all the information that we have access to and come to a conclusion, a logical conclusion. Using the TT or TTM squeeze indicator. You just need 5 trading days. That's it. 5 trading days in general. Doesn't have to be 5 winning days. Could just be 5 in general. Guess we can see what happens at VWAP. We're about to hit it on ES. Maybe it tries to bounce there. If there's red dots, there's a squeeze. If there's no red dots, then there is no squeeze. Maybe Asia today. We'll see. I didn't feel like doing Asia last night. Good thing I didn't, because Asia was ass yesterday. Didn't really move. Again, make sure to use code Brandon. If you're buying TPT accounts, code Brandon. All caps. So far bouncing off of that VWAP. I think I'm gonna call it, everybody. It's just too choppy. So hopefully we get some better price action tomorrow. Again, a base hit yesterday and today. Still green. Not the biggest day, but like a little over 250. So yeah, I'm gonna call it here. Keep my green. And probably be on for Asia tonight. It depends what I have going on today and if I feel like hopping on. So everybody have an amazing day. If you guys get accounts with Apex, Tradeify, TPT, make sure you use discount code Brandon in all caps. And let's do it again tomorrow. Let's keep this green streak going. Peace out, everybody. All right, YouTube. Peace out. Everybody have a good day. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow morning.